Hi, I'm Vivian Dancy, a scheduling coordinator here at TemPositions team. Here at our team, we're always searching for qualified candidates like yourself. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for an executive assistant position. Some of the responsibilities would include preparing financial statements, reports, memos, invoice letters, and other documents, handling basic bookkeeping tasks, filing and retrieving corporate records, documents, and reports, performing office duties that include ordering supplies and managing a records database. If you have a high school diploma or equivalent, proven experience as an executive assistant or other relevant administrative support experience, an in-depth understanding of entire MS Office suite, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity will not last. Apply soon. I look forward to meeting you.